Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious meat rolls at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or pork, along with 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 egg, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. For seasoning, we'll use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. These basic items are all you need to begin. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the meat mixture. In a large bowl, combine the ground meat, chopped onion, and minced garlic. Next, add the egg, breadcrumbs, fresh parsley, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. It's important to mix everything gently by hand until just combined. Avoid overmixing, as this can make your meat rolls tough and less enjoyable. A light touch ensures a tender and flavorful result every time. With our mixture ready, it's time to form and cook the rolls. Divide the meat mixture into 12 equal portions, each weighing about 2 ounces. Roll each portion into an oval or cylindrical shape, approximately 2 inches long. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the meat rolls in the hot skillet and brown them for about 3 to 5 minutes on all sides until they are beautifully golden. To finish our delicious meat rolls, reduce the heat to medium-low and add 1 cup of your favorite sauce, perhaps a marinara. Cover the skillet and let them simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are thoroughly cooked. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Finally, garnish your homemade meat rolls with fresh parsley and serve them hot alongside pasta, rice, or your preferred side dish. Enjoy your easy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.